channel, I'll be showing you guys how to make sorrel juice. This juice is popular among Caribbean people and is mostly consumed in December time. Sorrel is also known as I've discussed, and I'm going to show you how it looks before you get it in a package or you buy it at the market, right? Alright guys, so this is the plant, you get it, and actually you cut this off, the flowers from the stem, and you're going to see a seed in the middle. You take that out. So I don't know if you can see it. So this is the seed guys that is in the middle. You'll take it out and you can discard it or you can replant it, right? So you cut it off. Why my finger stuck in the scissors now? And the seed looks something like this. You can see in the middle of it. Those are the seeds. And this drink guys, oh my god, it is so refreshing and nice. So before we start, you have to wash your sorrel first and bring to boil. I have here 2.5 pounds of sorrel. Bring to boil like about 10 cups of water, right? So this is my way of making sorrel juice guys. So I'm going to be using some clove. Some people use pimento, but I prefer the taste of clove. I'm also going to be using cinnamon stick, cinnamon leaf, and to sweeten we're going to use some sugar. Now you sweeten to taste, right? Okay, so we're going to grate the ginger. And I don't like it too overpowering guys, so you can grate like 2 pieces of ginger. And I find that when you grate it, the flavor of the ginger come out more, as opposed to just cutting it in the sorrel to see. I love the smell of ginger, oh my god. So we're gonna add the ginger to the pot right now. And my cinnamon leaves guys. Just gonna wash these a bit, right? So you can allow them to just boil a little and then you add the sorrel, right? As you want to steep this for 15 minutes and then you turn it off. Usually when you're making sorrel, right? When you turn it off, you don't sweeten it same time, you allow it to sit overnight. Okay guys, so now that our sorrel is steeping, I've made this about 2 days ago for you guys to show you the procedure, So we're gonna sweeten it now. Remember, you sweeten to taste. So we're gonna add some sugar. And I think that's about it for me. And remember, some people add alcohol, and remember you can just add a little. You don't have to overpour it with the alcohol, right? So you can add just about a little, like a half shot of alcohol to this thing, and it's gonna be tasting so nice. So you can add some ice. And enjoy it, right? There you go. This is good. It's not too gingery, it's just perfect. So guys, I can't close out without showing you a cocktail recipe so you can try this for your family or friends. So let me put this over here. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a sorrel mojito. Yes, I made this the other day and it was so amazing. I want to share it with you guys. What makes a mojito? Fresh ingredients guys. So we're going to add some mint and lime to this sorrel mojito. So we're going to start by adding some mint leaves, right? Just about a good amount here. and you can crush some of these and put it down in there. With your lime. Do the same for the other cup. So you do this to release the oils, right? Add some ice. Some sorrel. And another half shot or a full shot. I can't drink a lot, guys, so just gonna add half here. Yeah, guys, and you can enjoy it. Guys, this is a nice holiday cocktail you can share with your friends, as I said earlier. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed me sharing my cocktail recipe with you and also the sorrel recipe. So I'm going to enjoy my mojito now. From my kitchen to yours, happy holidays.